The Raintree HOA restoration project was performed in the fall of 2019 and consisted of 72 separate structures with over 260 residential units. This project included 250,000 square feet of roofing, removal of up to 3 existing layers of roofing, and the replacement of 21,500 linear feet of gutter and downspout. Before the project started, LR Contracting met with the Raintree HOA board to discuss the scope and specifics of the installation. During that meeting, the HOA informed us of their main concerns. 1. A high-quality roofing shingle installed at or above industry standards. 2. Ice dam protection. And 3. An upgraded warranty. At LR Contracting, we primarily install Owens Corning roofing products. With this in mind, we recommended installing the Owens Corning True Definition Duration Shingle with an upgraded 2x4 drip metal edging. The Duration product comes standard with sure nail technology and a limited lifetime warranty. To resolve their ice damming concerns, we recommended ice and water shield underlayment around all eaves, valleys, and penetrations. LR Contracting recommended studying each unit's attic ventilation to make sure that each attic was ventilated properly. Lastly, we met with our regional Owens Corning representative to discuss the best warranty options available to the HOA. We settled on Owens Corning's top-rated warranty, the Platinum Protection Warranty. This warranty required a complete review of the project with the national inspector from Owens Corning. LR Contracting worked with the inspector to create specialized installation procedures for this project, which were monitored throughout the installation and provide the foundation for a lifetime product warranty that not only includes the roofing materials, but also includes 20 years of workmanship coverage. Thanks to LR Contracting's commitment to installing the best roofing materials, installed with the highest quality procedures, we were able to provide the Raintree HOA with one of the top-rated roofing warranties available. Let us help you with your HOA project and see what we mean when we say, experience the LR difference.